namin. Napakaganda naman. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. Miss Julia, we're all about confidence and beauty right now. Saan mo hinuhugot ang confidence mo? Sa bar soap ko. Ina Beauty. Okay, pwede kayo share mo sa amin kung ano yung beauty routine mo when you're using Pina? Oh my goodness, pretty simple because see, Pina's already packed with everything that you need. So parang it's the one product that you'll just have to use to, you know, have that glow, that hydrated skin, that healthy skin. And my favorite part of the soap is their very hero ingredient, which is, of course, watermelon. Yun, diba? Parang one of a kind. Hindi natin naririnig masyado here in the Philippines. Yan. So you're very, very beautiful. Grabe na sa starstruck ako. Ano naman ang pinaka-excited ka about the Miss Universe Philippines launch ngayon? Yes, I just found out more about the event today. I can't wait. I mean, all the beautiful ladies are here. And then parang first time ko rin na mag-backstage. So this is the first event for the whole organization, right? Yes. It's parang everybody will be introduced. So that's something that I myself am looking forward to. It's just nice to be here, especially with the Pina family. Parang gusto kita makita with the sash. Miss Julia, can you present yourself in a beauty queen manner? Paano ba? Julia! Tapos kung saan city, and then kung meron ka mang motto or say Pina Beauty, ganyan-ganyan. Ay, hindi ko expert. Ay, nahiya ako bigla. Yes, ako din parang nahiya din ako. Parang iniisip ko. Ako din. Parang mapahiya. And of course, given that, I mean, all the beautiful ladies are here, they're the experts for that. Kayang-kaya na nila yun.
Of course, but we are very, very happy that you are here right now representing Pina Beauty. Maraming salamat.
Thank you also. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
There you go.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Thank you.